Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the Autocount intelligent search feature. I usually call it an intelligent search. When you upgrade to Autocount version 2.0, actually, when you open a new order, you'll find that when you search, it doesn't include searching the customer's name. So it's very simple. You just need to search the middle part of the name and it will come up. You don't necessarily have to search from left to right. Search the name from left to right. The same goes for items. For items, you just need to type in some keywords. You don't need to type them all out. For example, if you type Nokia, it can also be found. Then if you remember the product code, you type the code. Or if you remember the model, you type the model and it will find it for you. This intelligent search feature has been available since the upgrade from version 1.9 to 2.0. The old version of Autocount is not bad. It just isn't as powerful. But many people still prefer the old searching mode. Actually, you can turn it off. There is a feature called search use or search lookup here, which you can turn on or off. Once you turn it off, when you open an order, the item section will revert to the old version where you choose where to search, and it must be from left to right. From left to right, you can't skip 990 like that, but the new version is different. The new version doesn't need to specify whether it's item code or description, as long as it's in any column on the screen. It can help you search. In this tools option, use this search lookup. In any column, you type 990, it can help you search. Typing item code can also search. PHN can be searched. You can also combine front to back, back to front, either way. It also applies to the account section, and it doesn't just apply to the invoice here. In the account section, like our cash book entry and such places, it also has this lookup function. Like for office vendor, you just need to type rent, and it will find this office vendor thing for you. So you don't need to type the full sentence. It quickly helps you search for that thing. This is very convenient, and here you will see it has many conditions. As I mentioned earlier, and you type a few letters, then space, and type another one. It's very convenient. It also has an all condition. The all condition means it can list out when both appear. Then if both have the same words, it will show up. For exact, it must have the same wording, and there are three modes. For customers used to the old version, you might use exact. For exact, it goes from left to right. The all condition means that whether it's Nokia 990 or something else, it will find everything related to Nokia and 990. However, if it's exact, it must have this word. So it will appear. This is suitable for those old-fashioned people who like to type Nokia 990. This setting is more suitable for them. If you type PHN Nokia, it won't come up, unlike the AND condition. There are 3 conditions in total, and I still recommend using the new searching mode. With so many searching modes, using the new searching mode will be more suitable for everyone. Next, we will talk about some items. For items, we have a description tool, and the debtor also has a description tool, or the account also has a description tool. These descriptions can actually be used for searching purposes. When we issue a document, they can be used for searching purposes.
Currently, you see this. There is no description tool here, and there is no description tool for the item either. But if it's convenient for you, and you prefer to use the description tool for searching, you can do so.
Alright, some friends might put the description tool in Chinese. They might do it like this, put it in Chinese, and if they want to automatically search in the invoice, then you need to go to the setting here, choose the option. Check this, the use account description tool in Lookup Edit. After you check this, you go back to the invoice. When you create a new debtor, you see it has this description tool. Then you type a related keyword and it will find this person because I am using description tool. The same goes for account. If we use this description tool in the account aspect, all these accounts have that description tool as long as you have the relevant keywords. When we open a cash book entry, new pay voucher, the second description already appears here in the account number section. This is not just for invoice cash. Purchase invoices can also do this. In terms of accounts like pay vouchers and general entries, it can also show the second description. Besides this, let's see what other different settings there are. I have already explained the new and old models, and I have explained the condition and exact mode conditions, and I have also explained the account description. Now let's go into some items' second descriptions. The second description of items, the second description of projects, these actually with the same as the concept of an account. Come to this tools option here. If you want to change the stock description, here in document control, there's this show item description in item. Lookup edit, and this quantity, you can manage it or not. What is this? I'll show everyone in a moment. When we open the invoice, here you right click add, item description will appear, and its concept is the same as the account concept. Just now I clicked that, And on the side here, there is a quantity balance. So don't want your employers to know that's quantity balance. We can actually turn it off in the tools option over there, invoicing. In document control here, you can turn off the quantity item lookup. When we open an invoice, it will show the quantity. Of course, for your setting, you need to exit the entire auto count and log in again. If you don't want to exit, you can use this and then we clear the cache. In this situation, you don't need to exit the account. It will directly trigger the setting. The project is the same. I won't elaborate much on the project module. When you use the project module, you need to show the second description, and the project also has this feature. We have another method, another way to do it. Just now we were directly typing here. If we don't want the list to be shown, whether it's new or old models, and we want to directly enter the entire code, we also have a third method. The third method, in document control here, you don't use this lookup edit like these. We call them lookup edit. If we don't use lookup edit, you see when it comes in, it doesn't list directly. You have to type it accurately. That thing, you press enter, then it will list out. You have to type it yourself, rely on yourself to remember all those codes. So typing the description can't be searched. Typing the key also doesn't work. This must be entered using the code method for the product. There are many different setups. This is the very powerful feature of Autocount. I won't show everyone how to set it up. And another thing is you need to buy our filter by agent module. Say in this situation, we can control the screen to only show these agents when it comes to Autocount. It has this module called filter by salesman module. If you want to know more details about this filter by salesman module, you can watch my recorded filter by salesman video and here I will just briefly explain it. It will affect our lookup, which is the function we use to search for customer names. This module, you see now we can view all the invoices. But if we activate this module, after we click on this module, we can go to general maintenance, user maintenance here. Let's say assign this person to only see data from certain agents. If I click like this, he can only see data from these two agents. Suppose I only want to see Nora's data. After I set it up, when I go back to the sales invoice section, he can only see all the invoices issued by Nora. But yeah, when we select customers, he can still see all the customers. By right, only some customers, because I have already activated this module. So before I use this module, you see there were many debtors, not just one debtor. I don't know, I turn it off, and you see here in the debtor maintenance, it can show all the debtors are shown. But if you want to hide it, not just in the debtor list, but also to prevent employees from selecting the wrong debtor on the invoice, because there is only one customer under Nora. Let's say I choose two clients that are under Nora, the clients being served. In this situation, we have this access. So this access, we save it. Currently, it is just hidden here in this place, and this place is hidden. But when we issue an invoice, they can still choose others. This way, it avoids making the wrong selection. The best method is to go to the tools option here, where there is also a lookup editor function, and we can apply the lookup editor. Similarly, apply this module filter by agent module. In this situation, after I have set it, when we issue an invoice, they will not be able to select the wrong debtor that is not under their service. These are some features of the Autocount intelligent search. I hope this video can help everyone. I am Mr. Low from Excel software Autocount. Thank you all. Autocount, the most comprehensive accounting software, your first choice.